In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Outlook installation error that usually says this product cannot be installed on the selected update channel. So there's one really easy way to fix this, and that's to come over to your start menu and search for Registry Editor, and then click on the Registry Editor. Then from here, you need to expand HKey local machine, then expand the software folder, then scroll down until you see a folder called Policies and expand this, expand the Microsoft folder. Then from here, you want to expand the folder called Office 16.0 underneath Common, and in here you should have a folder called Office Update. So you just need to select that like so, and you'll be able to see this key inside of here. Now it should be called Update Branch, and all we're going to do is right click on this key and select Delete. Then you'll get this warning message pop up, just press yes. And now all you need to do is restart your computer. And once you've restarted your computer, you can try reinstalling Office, and that should have now fixed any issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.